Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this is day 2 of Navratri look and the color is red. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So the first thing in today's video, I'm going to start with doing some skincare routine. And for that, I'm first going to wash my face and I'm going to use this coffee face wash from M Caffeine. I really love using this product from M Caffeine because of its aroma. It's so relaxing and calming, and you must try if you don't have it. Now I'm going to use this power clay mask stick from Sugar, and the variant I'm using is 01 brightening. So I'm using this clay stick so that it will cleanse my pores deeply and give a radiant skin. Now I'm trying to evenly spread this clay with my fingers and I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to use this Biocool oil clear toner and I'm going to use this cotton pad to apply it all over my face and neck area. And lastly, I'm going to use this day cream from Mother's Splash. This day cream from Mother's Splash is so good and it's so light on my skin, and it's in a gel form so that it won't make my skin feel oily at all. Also, it's necessary to hydrate your lips time to time. For makeup, first I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline. It's an age rewind concealer and I'm going to apply this concealer on over my eyelids, and I'm going to start with my eye makeup first. Now I'm going to use this 02 Warrior palette from Sugar Cosmetics and I'm going to select a brown shade, and I'm going to use this brown shade as a transition color, and I'm going to apply that on my crease area and I'm a little bit extending outwards of my eyelids. Now I'm selecting a bright red color from Nika K palette Poison Apple, and I'm going to apply only at the outer V of my eyelids like so. I'm just placing that color with the help of the brush. Now I'm going to take the same palette from Show Cosmetics and I'm going to mix two colors, that is golden and bronze, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids on that part where I have not previously applied any color. This is the eyeliner from Show Cosmetics and I'm going to create a small wing eyeliner kind of look. I'm going to complete my eye look with this kajal and mascara again from Show Cosmetics. Proper description of product will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out. And with that, we are completed with the eye look. Again, I'm going to use the same Maybelline concealer and I'm going to conceal my under eyes, area near my mouth and area near my nose with this concealer. As you can see, I have used a lot of concealer, so I'm going to blend this concealer by applying some setting spray, and then I'm using this brush to blend my concealer really well. Now I'm going to use this Skin Genius foundation from Nykaa and I'm going to apply really less quantity of foundation because most of the work is done by the concealer itself. Again, I'm going to use a brush to blend my foundation really well. Okay guys, over here I'm setting my base with help of a compact powder, and this powder is from Show Cosmetics. Now I'm going to use this blush highlighter and bronzer palette from Show Cosmetics. The shade is Vivid Victory and I'm going to apply first the blush in upward direction, as you can see. Now I'm using the highlighter from the same palette and I really love the glow that it's giving. It looks so natural. Now I'm going to use this lipstick from Maybelline, and in today's video I'm going to mix and match two different lipsticks. So after this lipstick we have another lipstick coming up. So this is the other lipstick from inside and I'm just dabbing this lipstick all over my lips. After this transition, this is the final look. I really hope you guys liked and enjoyed this day 2 look of Navratri season. If you guys really like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. And don't you guys forget that there will be more looks coming up in next few days for this same Navratri season. And yes, with that, I'll take my leave. Till then, bye bye, take care and thanks for watching.